Dear learners, I welcome you all on this online course on accounting for managerial decision. So, I am Professor Sunil Kumar from School of Management Studies. This course duration is 18 weeks and it is of 6 credit course, and the entire course has been categorized into 6 module, and the expected time is 180 hours. The modules which have been divided, the detail of these modules are: the first module belongs to fundamentals of accounting, and this module will be discussed in 3 weeks. During the first week, accounting and overview and basic concepts will be discussed, and then during the second week, financial statements will be discussed, how to prepare the financial statements and how to interpret the financial statements. Then in third week, understanding of financial statements, because once we prepare the financial statement, then understanding of financial statements in the same spirit is again of great importance. Therefore, understanding of financial statements will be discussed during the third week. Then module 2, that is analysis of financial statements. During fourth week, we will discuss techniques of financial analysis, that is ratio analysis, funds flow statements, cash flow statements, cost volume profit analysis. So, whatever important techniques are there on the basis of which financial statements are analyzed will be discussed. Then module 3, budgetary control. So, budgetary control will basically be discussed during 7th, 8th and 9th week of this online program, and how to prepare the budgets, and then the different approaches to budgeting will also be discussed during module 3. Module 4 will be based on standard costing. So, during 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th week, standard costing will be discussed, how to calculate the variances and then how to analyze the variance, and responsibility accounting will also be discussed during the 4th module. Then the 5th module will be on cost volume profit analysis. So, well friends, during this 5th module, marginal costing, break even analysis, relevance cost for decision making, reporting to management, and then recent developments in accounting will be discussed. Well friends, you all might be well aware that when we speak about management accounting and cost accounting, it is basically the selection of best alternative in order to take a best decision. And then when we speak about cost accounting is nothing but it's to minimize the cost and to maximize the profit of the organization. So, I think that you will learn, you will appreciate the course on management accounting and accounting for managerial decisions. So, I wish you all the best.